Hi, my name is David Demove, and I want to show you how to get a textured fringe at home. First things first, we want to get a spray bottle to make sure our hair is nice and wet while we brush it out to make sure we don't have any tangles. If you have longer hair like me, you'll want to use the clip over fingers technique to remove some of the bulk in the back. This will make it easier to create the low fade. To create the fade, begin in the back and work your way to the sides, moving from no guard on your clipper to the half guard and finally the one guard. To blend the fade with the longer hair, start with a 2 guard and move up to a 3 guard. Make sure to use the upward rocking motion as you cut. We're going to be doing a clipper over finger technique with no guard on the top of our hair to get our desired length. To add texture to my hair, I'm going to apply what is called point cutting, using the clipper over fingers technique. To finish off this look, I'm going to add some pomade. And this is how you achieve a textured fringe at home.